everyone, welcome to my channel. Now take a look at this. As you can see, there's no wrinkles. Okay, so you don't have wrinkles because you don't get wrinkles. I do get wrinkles, but what I do, I try to take care of my skin. I use a lot of wonderful natural ingredients on my skin, and they're having my skin looking wrinkle-free. And honestly, self-praise is no praise, but I know I look much younger because of these awesome treatment. Now today in this video, I am going to share with you some of the things that I use on my skin to have my skin wrinkle-free, fresh, bright, clear, and clean. So if you're interested in this video, come with me to the kitchen and I'll share with you my awesome wrinkle fighting treatment for my skin. To fight wrinkles, the first ingredient is rice flour, and rice flour is pretty easy to make. Just blend some rice, whether brown or white, and you get rice powder, or you can also buy your rice powder. Our next ingredient is green tea, and I'm going to be using a tea bag. If you have loose leaf, go ahead and use that. Our third ingredient, which is known to fight wrinkles, is aloe vera, and this is fresh aloe vera. I'm also going to be using some milk. If you're vegan, go ahead and use some almond milk. So here are the ingredients. We have rice flour, we have fresh aloe leaf, we have some milk, and we also have green tea. So now I'm going to put these together, but first I'm going to prepare the aloe leaf. Preparing the aloe leaf is pretty easy. To extract the gel, I'm just going to cut both sides. And as you can see, the gel is right here. So I'm going to cut right under the skin, right here. Take the top off, and I'm going to do the same below. I'm going to go right under the skin. And here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. I'm just going to scrape to make sure I get everything from the skin. Now for this recipe, I'm going to use about 1 ounce of aloe vera gel. You can choose to double up on the mixture as I will be doing, but for one treatment you need 1 ounce. Here I have about 2 to 3 ounces. Now I'm going to be blending. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my aloe to the blender. Both pieces. Make sure to get everything in. Next, I'm going to take my tea bags. I'm going to open it. 1 tea bag I'm using. Going to pour this with the gel in the blender. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of milk to the blender. A 1/2 cup of rice flour to the blender. And then I'm going to cover. Now here is our blended mixture. And this is our wrinkle fighting face wash. So now I'm going to use this to wash my face. You can store this in your refrigerator. Make sure to take it out at least half an hour before you use it to get to room temperature. Now to use your face wash is pretty easy. You're gonna use some cotton pads preferably. If not, you can use a piece of soft cloth, or if you have a small wash rag, you can use that too. Now with a nice little star and just dip in whatever you're gonna use. So if you make a large batch, just pour enough for one use and store the rest in your refrigerator for up to 4 days. Now you can also go ahead and make the rice, aloe and green tea, and you can store that in your refrigerator for 7 days, and when you're ready to use, you add the milk. But if you had the milk, do not keep it longer than 4 days. For vegans, if you had your almond milk or coconut milk, you can keep that for 7 days, okay? Now once you dip your sponge in, and this is best done in the bathroom, but for demonstration purpose, I'm gonna be doing it right here. So you just dip in, apply, and wash. Now, circular motion. Now they are small granules from the rice and the green tea in this treatment. Therefore, it is also giving you a exfoliating effect. So while shrinking the pores, tightening the fine lines and wrinkles, this is also getting rid of the dead skin cells and exfoliating the skin. Okay, so now you want to use this wash. You can use this wash every day if you so choose. Just rub it on. Spend about 3 minutes washing your face with it, 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse this off with some cold water. Use this wash as long as you want, as often as you want. It is pretty safe, it's very effective, especially for those people with large pores. This is perfect. Just use this every day, and in no time your pores are going to shrink tremendously. You're going to notice a tightening look to your skin. It's going to appear as if you have a minor Botox done. Just use this. This is really a awesome treatment, and this is perfect for, guess what, all skin type. Well, let me just say most skin type. If you have oily skin, this is perfect. Regular skin, this is perfect. For sensitive skin, the only thing in this you might be a little mindful of is if you're sensitive to milk, okay? Because aloe vera could be used on most skin type. You have to have extremely sensitive skin for this not to work for you. So go ahead and try this facial wash slash exfoliator. That is a wrinkle fighting, pore shrinker, acne, blemishes, whatever it is going on, this is gonna leave you with basically perfect skin. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also share the video, leave your comments, they are welcome. And if this was the first time watching, don't forget to hit the word subscribe at the end of the video and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Applying aloe vera gel to your face regularly will help to diminish the lines and wrinkles associated with aging and loss of elasticity in the skin. This is due to the simple fact that aloe vera contains vitamin C and E, both of which are known to be vital for healthy skin and also help to improve natural firmness to the skin. Rice's natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing properties make them good for oily or acne-prone and dull mature skin. It is also a good anti-inflammatory and skin whitening agent that soothes sunburned skin and makes skin smooth and fairer. Milk promotes strong wrinkle-free skin, heals rough and even skin, has skin lightening properties, useful for evening out skin discolorations and acne scars. The lactic acid in milk moisturizes, hydrates, and nourishes dry skin, keeps skin looking youthful by combating free radicals that age skin. Green tea removes dead skin cells and rejuvenates the dying ones by utilizing the slightest abrasive texture of dry green tea leaves. This fantastic exfoliator will also help to remove excess oil and pollutants, exposing the cleansed and renewed skin underneath.